In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon with two rectangles. Now tap on Home button to click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button, or swipe both in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!